we knew that everything couldn't be fine. We knew that. So we said like, okay, by knowing this, let's keep the maximum of calm at the event, the maximum of lucidity, and try to handle with everything. Interview Ramdam Panam. 1, 2, 1, 2. Royal Ramdam.
2 days after.
2 days after? Ah ouais.
Enfin,
One day.
one day after.
Already, man.
Everybody said they know about the den. You take a minute to savor, then you walk right in. People crawling all over each other just to know, is it just a joint that everybody got to go along? So sad, huh? You had to miss this. We got the time if you got the business. So just you leave it up to me now, people. Just you leave it up to me.
This car is really old, but he will do it.
Hey man, what day is it?
It's the D-Day. We're still finishing the last stuff. And after we move directly to Paname, to Paris. Je pense qu'il faut le stabiliser, limite on met ton ampli basse par-dessus. Il y aura la batterie et tout.
Ah non, mais je te dis.
Ça va être chargé.
Plus la sono et tout, on va faire
We are not enough to organize this event. And we had just one vehicle, and
It was completely crazy.
it was too short. We should have been more or have a big truck. We just packed all the stuff, and as you can see, it's quite full already. It started in the morning, so the 1st of June, after a long night of work to finish all the communication. We put everything in the car, and then from Les Arches we moved to Paris, and our mission was to take the drum at a friend's flat.
It was the deal before one. There is somebody in the apartment, we can take the drums.
But she was living at one. Attends, je vais voir combien de temps il dit pour... on arrive à 13h14 à Paname. Oh, putain de merde.
Il y a des trucs d'argent, de machin,
En fait, à cause des embouteillages, tout ça, on n'a pas pu passer chez toi. Est-ce que tu penses que toi, d'ici à 17h, est-ce que tu sais s'il y aura quelqu'un chez toi?
Bah, je peux demander, ouais, je peux demander.
Ok, je sais pas, mais bon, je veux pas non plus abuser, mais...
Bah écoute, attends, je demande à ma mère.
Vas-y.
Bon bah, tiens-moi au courant alors pour la batterie.
Bah, tu...
Non, je te tiens au courant pour ma
Ouais.
mère, et puis sinon, ça prend du temps.
D'accord, cool man.
We missed this.
So yeah, it was too late for us. We arrived after 1. So we decided to go directly to take the keyboard.
Are you both quite stressed at the moment?
A little bit. Yeah. Je les
Ah, c'est chiant.
asking for
Il y a trop de trucs qui
advices,
s'est passé.
advices for if we need to rent gear,
Surtout,
keyboard. We have no benefit for now. It's just like the money is just here for the sound system and for the artist. So we can't go too far. We have to limit. We have to put a limit to the project.
Et finalement, j'ai dit vas-y, je vais appeler le gars et je vais lui demander si on peut passer pour son truc. Oui, des trucs de jazz.
Ah.
Je sais pas.
Mais il dit quoi? Il dit on peut juste prendre son piano mais on paye pas? Ah, tu l'as pas demandé?
Non, j'ai pas demandé.
D'accord.
Bonjour. De toute façon, il n'y avait plus le choix. Allô? Ça va? C'est Jules. One day before the event, I tried to act like a poor guy, you know, I tried to cry. You know, I have no money, it's really hard, we have a lot of stuff to, and we are not professional. Mais du coup, ouais, non, le truc c'était juste pour le piano, machin, parce qu'on devait avoir un truc, après finalement le gars peut pas, donc après on avait branché. Donc du coup là c'est branle-bas pour le piano, en mode, vas-y, comment on fait? It's horrible, hein, but you know, you can compare with homeless in the subway. It's the last technique to have the attention of people. Après le truc c'est voilà, je te demandais si le gars il est chaud, au pire on peut passer parce que là... And when you are in the big shit, it's the only solution. So I can understand people in the subway, you know, homeless. It's the only technique you can use to win. Ah bon. Cool, machin, Korg SV1, ça a l'air costaud de ce qu'il m'a dit, mais je sais pas, tu vois. Mais peut-être ça pourrait convenir au pianiste.
C'est quoi comme
Korg
modèle?
SV1.
Korg SV1?
Ouais.
Oula.
Tu vois, genre, Bambino Jumbo, c'est l'esprit. On les paye 200 balles, mais voilà, ça reste en mode cool,
Trop
ils
cool.
ramènent le synthé. Voilà. On respire, quoi.
Enfin des gens qui comprennent le
Ah ouais, non. Après, voilà.
Et c'est où du coup?
Près du parc Montsouris.
Bon, cool.
Salut, Félix. Ça se fait jamais ça. Moi, je trouve ça ouf, hein. Je trouve ça dingue.
Bah ouais, mais là on fait que comme ça quoi.
Ouais, mais non, mais c'est au niveau professionnel normalement, c'est ça où il faut que les musiciens se ramènent pas avec en galérant avec leur truc.
Sûr,
Mais en vrai, il y en a beaucoup qui le font pas quoi.
Ouais, bah c'est pour ça que. Bon.
Bah nous comme à la base on est musiciens, on connaît le truc.
Bah, vous connaissez la galère.
Donc, en fait on fait au mieux pour que tout le monde...
Non mais franchement c'est monstrueux, hein. Je trouve que c'est vraiment cool.
C'est marrant parce qu'il nous dit...
Il est impressionné.
Ouais grave, mais il nous dit putain c'est super rare que vous veniez chercher les claviers et tout. En fait nous ça arrange de ouf.
Bah oui, c'est ce que.
C'est beau. Mais ça arrange tout le monde. Where's the keyboard player?
Yeah, he was really nice.
Yeah, it was really cool. It was really
I like
impressed
this feeling.
by the spirit of the party and the organization.
Yeah, he was impressed. And everybody is shocked. They believe we are totally professional. And finally, when we meet, they are like, what?
Ah, it's you. Ah, so shit.
Comme ça, on va faire une candidature, c'est pas plus compliqué.
Thomas?
Trop cool. Est-ce que c'est un resto ou genre c'est pas un resto genre couscous un peu? Non en fait genre tu rentres au rez-de-chaussée et après t'as un étage avec une sorte de mezzanine.
Ah, y a pas d'étage.
Non c'est pas celui-là?
Non, c'est sous un hôtel Ibis au bord du Péri.
Ok.
Et genre,
En fait, de base, c'est un cabaret turc, mais c'est les Kabyles qui l'ont repris, et là c'est en mode resto, mais ils font des gros afters et grosses soirées techno pour rentabiliser le week-end.
Ah si, ils sont pas encore dans le... Enfin, ils sont un tout petit peu dans le game. Enfin, d'accord. C'est-à-dire qu'il y a déjà des soirées techno et des machins. Le truc c'est que les gars sont cool au niveau du prix et tout. Donc,
Il y a une petite scène,
voilà.
They said like, okay, we have the bar, you have the place, you don't pay anything except something for each ticket sold. And yeah, that's why we choose it.
Ouais, voilà, ça se trouve, on va les lancer sur le circuit en fait, on sait pas.
Bah ouais. J'ai quoi comme matos là?
Là c'est assez chargé, mais on peut trouver... Ouais, bah,
tenir les gars.
ça va pas tenir?
Non. Non, je vais vous montrer. Je vais vous montrer ce qu'est la taille.
The sub is too big to take it for that. So I think we need to go back here. We realized we had to go to the place and to go back to search the other gear.
This was the crucial point.
This is where
Yeah.
everything fucked up.
And how is the ticket selling going?
Ticket selling is slow.
Yeah?
Yeah, for now, yeah, we know that a lot of people, they said they are coming, and like all the Parisian, they will take it at the last moment. That's why we just sent an email to all the other organizers to go at the maximum, to tell all their friends to wake up. Beaucoup de personnes participent à ce projet, la plupart bénévoles, mais nous travaillons aussi avec des professionnels. Musiciens, DJ ou ingé son qui vont apporter leur talent, leur savoir-faire. Les recettes des ventes des billets nous permettront tout juste de rémunérer ces professionnels et de couvrir les frais de location du matériel de la salle. Pas de gain prévu.
Is it quite possible at this point that you could lose money?
For sure. For now, we lose money. Nous attendons du monde, mais dans ce genre de soirée, il est toujours difficile d'avoir une idée précise des entrées. Même quelques jours avant, la plupart se décident quasiment au dernier moment. C'est pourquoi les quelques heures qui nous séparent de la soirée vont être décisives. Chauffe tous tes potes, parle haut et fort et sois fier. La puissance de ta verve sera essentielle. We have some friends will come tomorrow to help, and they are ready to just do anything they can. So we know that we will need some help tomorrow. But for the organization, mostly it was Jules and me, and that's it. Toutes les forces sont les bienvenues. Ta bienveillance, ton amitié et ton amour seront déterminants pour pouvoir créer un moment unique, une nuit un peu folle. Serrons-nous les coudes bien fort, bon courage. L'avenir, c'est la lutte. L'avenir, c'est la lutte.
J'attends votre appel. Ouais, je t'appelle, c'est ça. Ça roule, à tous les gars.
We took the sound system and we realized we had to go back to take the rest of the sound system. We said like, okay, the car is full, let's go to the place, the Sultan, to put everything and then come back. Jules stayed at the place, the Sultan.
I was thinking, oh yes, it's a big chance to stay. But finally, I stayed on the place and it was terrible because I had not a lot of stuff to do. I was beginning to be completely stressed, and the boss was with me. It was not easy to manage him, beginning to put pressure. How many people? And I was sending a lot of messages, calling a lot of people, and it was terrible.
Jules, on trace là, on bat les couilles du portable.
Yeah.
It was
The pressure was already here at this point. We are already late on the program. We just told the band to come later. At first we told them to come at 5 and it's already 5. And we still some stuff to set up. Fucking Christ, man. Jules is at the place of the party in the north of Paris. And we are going back to the south to take the drum and the rest of the sound system. And yeah, there is some pressure because we want this moment to be the best we imagined at first. So for sure we're stressed. But it's a good stress. It's energetic stress, dynamic stress. I think I will need your help, man. Yeah, thank you. One of the bands is already at the place and the sound system is not ready yet at the stage neither.
Beau bébé, hein? Ça tabasse. Comme ça là?
Y'a que 46 billets de vendus, ça me casse les couilles, putain, enculé, achète. Buy, please, my ticket to my party and fuck you, please, buy my ticket.
Excuse me. It's okay, it's the nerves, you know.
Are you more excited or worried about tomorrow?
At this time, I can't think because I have no energy, no more. But sincerely, I think it's it's really too big for two people like us who are not professional. And I'm sure even if we were professional, there is this moment you lose a little the control. And you can't be afraid about this, you have to accept this. It's important. Even if you don't accept this losing of control, you will have a problem with the earth and maybe die.
Well, someone put me in mind of what you said to me. You close your eyes and you can't be seen. You close the book and you can't read. Close your mind and you can't be free. Well, I don't profess to have it figured out. It's unintentional without doubt. If you feel like you're on your knees and you know that you're on release, walk with me.
Faut qu'on soit méga discipliné, on n'a pas de temps, ok? Cimer, la basse s'il te plaît.
Lesson to think is now, and after it will be just action.
Bonsoir à tout le monde. C'est une soirée un peu folle.
Et du coup, tout à l'heure c'était le QLO Jazz, donc un ensemble jazz voilà, qui s'est créé pour cet événement.
So we began the concert and we didn't know who will play after the jazz. I wanted that Özgun play, but I was searching Özgun, I was alone, where is Özgun? And I asked to everybody, where is Özgun? And what happened? Please help me.
Ce qu'on peut faire, c'est qu'on enchaîne avec Chapelle, je prends un petit peu de temps. Bah, je sais pas,
chercher, je vais aller à la salle.
bah, déjà pose ta clarinette. Pose ta clarinette, man.
Ouais, mais.
Bois un coup, pose ta clarinette.
On n'a pas le temps.
Mais qu'est-ce que tu veux que je fasse? Moi, je suis pas. Allez, bah c'est votre groupe, là, c'est parti.
So I have to play with my band. I was not ready, I was in the big stress. No preparation, no sound checking.
At a point I saw people smoking inside. It's like, what is happening? They told me, oh no, it's the owner of the place who told me I can smoke inside. For him it was better to have smoke everywhere than to have noise outside. I realized like they close the terrace just for the noise. What will happen when the guys will play with bass and everything? I was already thinking of there is a problem here.
The real problem began with the guy when the neighbor arrived and put pressure on the boss, and the boss arrived and put pressure on us and say you have to keep
Low
the
down,
sound-
low down the
sound.
volume, yeah.
The real problem was there. At this time I realized he was completely under pressure, the boss. It's the kind of guy who is completely impulsive, so and after this you can calm this guy.
C'est la merde. Personne s'occupe de rien.
after this, I talked with him, and he began to be cool. He smiled, he was laughing. Just after this, I said, okay, we preserve the most important thing. But during this time, I knew that he wanted to stop. The reality wanted to stop.
Ok. Est-ce que vous êtes là? Est-ce que vous êtes toujours là? Ouais? Non, je vous entends pas là, putain de merde. Est-ce que vous êtes là, bordel de merde? Alright. We wanted to have a concert part with the live music and then start during the night and until the morning DJ set.
Passer toute la nuit à contempler son boule.
We unplug the sound from the console and we plug it directly to the console of the DJ. The DJ set started and people started to dance. So we could feel the atmosphere was really cool and everything with the smoke machine and really good atmosphere.
Here he put the volume louder, and so I was just searching the boss, just looking around. Okay, he didn't come, he's not here. Well, maybe everything will be okay, and we will have a good DJ and continue to eat, and I begin to be more relaxed and I begin to dance.
That's right.
The DJ was cool. I beginning to say, okay, you have to enjoy.
And then 10 minutes after that, just 10 minutes, I was close to the stage. I saw the guy coming.
For me, it was completely fast. A moment completely.
Yeah, really quick.
Short.
In 1 second, was all lighted. He just went to the DJ, trying to stop his sound, and he switched all the light on, and he was running everywhere in the place, really angry, and we were running after him, trying to talk to him like, what is happening? Why are you doing this? Like, we can just talk.
Merci. Monsieur. Attends. Non, seulement je peux aller filmer. Ouais, on va faire ça et après on va voir. People were a little drunk, completely drunk, and it was like the bad guy, so everything wanted to talk with him, drunk. And the DJ was completely crazy, he wanted to fight. I was between them, it was the highest point of the tension of the party. We were between everybody, between the boss, between the DJ, between the public who were drunk. So it was really hard, but we knew that we have all the material, so we have to be calm
We have to, because me, I didn't know this guy, the boss, and maybe if he will be too much nervous, he will find some guys and they come and they can fight us. And nobody was thinking about this. It was just, oh! This is why we were like, no, you're right. Excuse me, that's finished.
So maybe the choice of the place was not the best, but the place was really nice.
The guy was just the best.
And yeah, the thing is, maybe the guy, the owner, was not. I mean, he was.
He's crazy. Finally, it's for us a justification to not pay the boss because we have to pay €2 by place. It's a justification, but the last mission for us was to talk all the material, because if we don't want to pay, we can't go back to the place.
We had a goal with this party. It was a kind of an idea we had, and we really wanted to try it, even if we didn't really know if it was possible or not.
It was, of course, really difficult to manage all this fucking party because we were only two, and it was a little crazy to do this, and they were not in a comfort zone. But for us, it was not a problem because we wanted this uncomfortable zone to create something different.
C'est bon, on a pu partir sans se faire coincer.
Et l'escabeau, complètement.
Quelle heure là, 6h. Ça va pas mal durer. D'accord. Parfait, on finit à 6h, on est à 6h.
Now, what we want is to send all the money to the artist, and after that to think about maybe another one in the future with Daft Punk or something like this. So yeah, some problems happened, but we're still alive, and it was a beautiful moment. So we can say mission accomplished.
Compared to what we are, no professional, two little guys. For me, it's a big victory. It's completely positive, and because people, when I talk to everybody, was happy and everything is completely positive, and I know it was completely no professional. It was a big mess, but I don't care.